Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on creating web applications with JSP and Servlets for beginners. In this tutorial, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with developing web applications using these two technologies. Before we get started, let's define JSP and Servlets. JSP stands for Java Server Pages, and it's a technology that allows you to create dynamic web pages that can generate responses based on user requests. Servlets, on the other hand, are Java classes that can respond to HTTP requests and perform the necessary processing to generate a response. Let's jump right in and start by creating our project. We'll be using Eclipse as our IDE, but feel free to use any IDE you're comfortable with. Start by creating a new dynamic web project in Eclipse, and then the required jar files for JSP and Servlets to your project's class path. Once that's done, we can start creating our servlet. To create our servlet, we need to extend the TypeServlet class and override the doget and dopost methods. These methods will handle the HTTP GET and POST requests respectively. Let's take a look at some sample code for our servlet. Now that we have our servlet, let's create a JSP page that will display the response from our servlet. In Eclipse, create a new JSP file and add the following code. We're almost there. All that's left now is to map our servlet to our JSP page using the web, small file, in the web, small file, add the following code. And that's it. We've successfully created a web application using JSP and Servlets. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's a lot more you can do with these two technologies, but this should give you a good starting point to explore further. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating web applications with JSP and Servlets for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!